There we go. It's generating our dice rolls and our money. It works amazing. Hey Euro people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited Monopoly Go dice rolls and money for absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys, and then let's search down below for Monopoly Go. There we go. Click there, guys, and then we will have to enter our Monopoly Go UID or our username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So open your Monopoly go to settings and click on your user ID. So guys, you will just copy it. Let's get back to the tool and just paste your user ID. So just click continue, and it should start searching for our user account. So guys, you should get this message, user found. Nice. So now we will have to select our desired amount of our dice rolls and money. I will select this amount. It's currently almost 1 million. Click continue, and it should load up third step and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So yeah, and nice guys, there we go, we got API connected. Nice. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our dice rolls and money, and it's one-time verification. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete even these small questionnaires. It's up to you. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and TikTok. So how will I do it, guys? Just click free. Just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, so you don't have to worry. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. I mean, for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play and complete level 9. And for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, Travel Town and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully. Oops, along this redirecting text. And now I'm waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happens. So guys, it should redirect us every single second. So let's wait together and let's see. So there we go guys, verification successful. Thank you for pressing the bot check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. Our user ID connected, dice rolls and money are sent. I'm so excited to open our Monopoly Go now once again and to see does it actually work. So let's wait for this loading screen, guys, and we will test then will we actually receive this. So I will click on this, guys, and now let's see. There we go, it's generating our dice rolls and our money. It works amazing. Nice guys, it actually worked. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'm going to play now my Monopoly Go and to waste all these dice rolls and money. I'm so excited. I will buy literally everything from shop. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.